Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 25th of February, 2019. Our weather, it is 22 degrees outside right now. It's supposed to get colder as the day goes on. Low tonight of 12 degrees. No more chance of snow, at least today. We have some snow later in the week. Just be careful as you're outside, especially going home and blowing trash cans, that kind of stuff. Our PBIS expectation for the week this week is the playground. Hopefully we can get out there. We need to stay in the playground area. We need to walk on the sidewalks, especially when we're going out for lunch recess. I sit here. I can see you all out my window. Make sure that you're walking on the sidewalks. I have seen, especially right now with all the ice and everything out there, I don't want to see anybody fall. We've already had a broken ankle. We had a kid with a concussion last week because they're running and playing, not being as safe as they should. And then also use Rochambeau for a solution to all problems. Take your turns, follow the rules of play, report all problems to an adult. That means don't take things into your own hands. We've had a little bit of that over the last week. We've had, unfortunately, had some of your classmates out for a few days because they made some poor choices. Let's not do that. Let's follow the PBIS expectations that we're going over today. Again, report problems to an adult. Hands and feet to yourself. These things, keep them to yourself. Even if you think you're playing, probably that other person may not think you're playing, and it can turn into a fight. We don't want that. So use kind words and actions. Be kind to each other. Whistle blows 2 times. You have 2 minutes left. If it whistle blows 3 times, we need you all to line up. And then some morning announcements. Just our MLK celebration is supposed to be tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. There's also some more fun stuff that will be as a part of that as well. We also have golden lunch tray. Make sure you're keeping your areas clean at lunchtime so that you can earn the golden lunch tray for your class. And don't forget, we still have the golden dustpan as well for our classroom that keeps their classroom the cleanest as possible. Today, myself and Miss Chambliss will be coming around between 12 and 2:30 to visit classrooms. So if you see us, just say hi and go back to your normal work. All right, lunch today, we're looking at whole grain cheesy breadsticks, marinara sauce, baked beans, mandarin oranges, crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow, we're looking at some of that new mac and cheese. There wasn't a bit emoji of mac and cheese, so it's just me and the dog chilling eating some spaghetti. Green beans, strawberry applesauce, and some of those wonderful crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements. Lego teams start on Wednesday. See Mr. Sodden or Miss Steyer if you have any questions. Miss Brockett's groups will not meet today. Starting today, we have our door decorating contest. Here you can see the contest rules. Engineered theme. Only students can decorate the doors. I'm going to be paying attention to that. So you just saw Miss Hayes come in. We'll talk about that, what she said to me here in a minute. So we have only decorated by students. Teachers can help with ideas, that kind of stuff, but I want it to be the students doing it. Decorate the outside of the doors facing the hallway because our interventionists will be walking around and checking those, and they're the ones judging them, and then they need to be finished by March 7th. So thank you. We're very excited to see what we're going to come up with, so do a fantastic job. All right, so this is not on here. We don't have any specials as of right now. We have a bunch of people out sick. There's some people sick over at Cleveland, so as of right now, we don't have any specials, so I apologize for that. So music is not happening. Both PE sections are not happening today, and art is not happening. Apologize for that. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, especially on a day like today when we don't have specials. Just kind of take that into consideration, students, and I know our teachers are as well. So please be kind to everybody doing things the Voyager way. And of course, go Voyagers!